Good morning children, welcome back to our English class. So in the previous class we learned that peacock is our national bird and it has a long tail called a train, and it opens its feathers like a fan, and it dances when it rains, and it eats only the grains and the vegetables. Okay, and in the story we came to know about peacock. The peacock name is Prakash. So we came to know that it is too shy to dance in front of all. So it went to the dance class to dance, and it would dance behind the thorny bushes. Thorny, I told you in the earlier class also, thorny means having many thorns. Once again I will write. Thorny means having many thorns. Having many thorns. So where do we find thorns? Thorns in the rose tree, rose plant we find, no? So those the thorns we find there. So it was hiding behind the thorny bushes and it was dancing there. Then the other little peacocks, they all said that Prakash to the teacher that Prakash was too shy and it would not dance in front of all. It could only see. Once again I will read out for you. Now see, Prakash, as he crashed onto a pile of thorns, twigs while taking the twist and leap. So as I told you, pile means a group of, a bunch. Pile means it is a countable, Pile means a bunch, like here, all bunch of thorns, and twigs means the dried sticks, So Prakash would do the dance behind the bushes, and there down it had many thorns and the sticks. What on earth was that noise? The teacher asked. So teacher could hear some sound, and the teacher said, what is that sound on earth? He ran towards the thorny bush. So the teacher ran towards the thorny bush. Goodness Prakash, what are you doing here? Why aren't you dancing in the clearing on the soft ground with all other peacocks? So the teacher is asking, why aren't you dancing with all other peacocks? Why are you hiding behind the thorny bush and dancing? The teacher asked. Before Prakash could reply, the other peacocks answered in chorus. Again, yesterday I said itself, chorus means a group of people speaking together, we have chorus means, as I told you, speak together. Like you all, when the teacher comes in, good morning teacher, all tell at a time, no? Like that. Chorus means speak together. In you might have heard songs also. In songs also you can hear the chorus background. So before Prakash could open his mouth, the other peacocks are all told in chorus. We'll see now what the others told. Prakash can't dance. Prakash can't prance. He cannot even talk. All he can do is walk. So all other peacocks were saying that he can't dance. Prakash can't prance. Now see, prance. Once again I am telling you, in the earlier class also I have told you what is it, but again. So prance means work or dance in a particular way. That is, see, first they dance, how they would lift their foot. First the right foot, then the left foot. Right, left, right, left. But the other peacocks, they were telling that Prakash even can't do that simple thing that first right leg then the left right left. He can't do that. He can't walk also. They are saying that he can't dance. He cannot dance like everyone, or even talk. He can't talk, they were saying. Before the teacher could scold the peacocks. Scold means, you know, no, abusing, like your mother scolds, don't do this, don't do that. So that is scolding. Prakash ran away. So as it was very shy, Prakash ran away from there. He stopped under a big jamun tree and began to cry. So as everyone were abusing him, so Prakash ran away and he sat under a big jamun tree and he started to cry. He would have stayed there crying all morning. Suddenly he heard thunder in the sky, and this followed a flash of lightning. So he would cry all night and he would be there itself. But suddenly he heard a thunder in the sky. You might have also heard the thunder, no? During the rainy season we hear the thunders. So he heard a thunder and they followed a flash of lightning. See, we'll see the meaning of flash. So a sudden burst of light. That is, you might also have seen the thunders with the light. So he suddenly saw the light. Prakash looked up and saw the bright lightning. Suddenly he felt happy. So after seeing the thunder lightning, he felt happy. Thaya, thay, thaya, thay, thakatai to. Prakash cried out loudly. So after seeing the lightning, he was very happy and he sang like this. Thaya, thay, thaya, thay, thakatai to. So he spread out his tiny tail like a fan and pranced and danced and whirled and trilled. Now see, after seeing the thunder, he was very happy that he spread out his tail like a fan and he danced and whirled. See, this is the new word you are coming across. So see the new words. Spin around. Whirled means spin around. Spin around means moving round and round. And trilled. Trilled means twisted. Trilled means twisted, means making it tight and move around in one place. You move, no, that is trilled and twisted. So he was so busy dancing that he did not notice that the class of peacocks had formed a circle around him. So he was so happy when he was dancing, he didn't even see that the others were watching him. So in the next class we will find out what happened next. What did the others say about him. So thank you everyone.